नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू ओनली एग्जाम अप टू डेट चैनल। देयर वेयर मेनी रिक्वेस्ट अबाउट स्कोप आफ्टर completion of veterinary degree. So today we will be discussing all the scopes of veterinary. So we will start from see, in every states there is recruitment for veterinary officer or veterinary mobile officer or block veterinary officer or veterinary assistant surgeon or traveling veterinary officer. Name may be different, but it will be recruited by the State Public Service Commission, like BPSC, Bihar Public Service Commission, TNPSC, Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission. So they will be classified as class 2 gazetted officer, and in some states class 1 also. So salary you are seeing here, and grade pay will be 4,500. So your gross salary will be approx 45,000 to 55,000 per month. Now you can see veterinary officers in medical institutes. Several medical institutes including premium institutes like All India Institute of Medical Science recruit veterinary graduates for undergoing research and experiments on different lab animals. So wherever research is going on animals, animal doctors or veterinarians must be present. So in 2019, AIMS have released one notification for the post of veterinarians group A post, and they are providing salary, gross salary approx 70,000 per month initially. And in other institutes, PGI, MER and other medical institutes, they are also recruiting veterinarians for the group B post. Then veterinary officers in several other institutes where necessarily animals are maintained, like you see, everyone know this, Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration, which is in Mussoorie, Uttarakhand, where IS is given training. This is IPS Training Institute, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy. It's in Hyderabad, and many such institutes where animals are being given training. So veterinary officers are recruited there. Then block animal husbandry officer or livestock officers. So salary will be same as block veterinary officers. Now you see FSSAI, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, also recruits veterinary graduates on the post of food safety officer, and it's coming under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, because veterinarians in third year of their course, there is subject dairy science, meat science. So they are knowing about the wholesome foods, their storage, manufacturing, distribution, import, exports, and all the things related to food. So they are preferring veterinarians in FSSAI also, and that is central government job. So they will be posting you as a class 2nd gazetted officer, and in some states, as I discussed earlier, class 1st also, and you seen salary will be approx 55 to 60 per month. That is a very good salary. Now see, National Dairy Development Board or dairy cooperatives and state milk federations also recruiting as a veterinary officers or project managers. See, if you think like dairy, see Sudha Dairy, Nandini, Amul, Payas. So name may be different, but they are recruiting veterinarians and also giving preference too much. Now you think IBPS in banking sector. IBPS, as you know, this is Institute of Banking Personnel Selection. So they are recruiting as agriculture field officers in government banks and PSUs. PSU, everyone know, public sector undertakings. and very good job with very high prospects, and individual can easily rise to level of zonal manager and even higher. Okay, then NABARD, as you know, this is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. This also recruits veterinary graduates and postgraduates for the post of assistant manager. Here you will be recruited on group A post and salary is approx 60. Now everyone's dream in Indian Army, Remount Veterinary Corps, that's headquartered in Meerut, you know. Okay, they are recruiting on the post of captain. Okay, so see, the Indian Army recruits veterinary graduates for Short Service Commission, SSC, Short Service Commission, and undergoing SSB, Service Selection Board interview. Interview will be there that test one's medical and psychological fitness. So you will be commissioned in the rank of captain. That is a very good post, and are imparted training at RBC centers and college Meerut, as I earlier told you. And a candidate can promoted to the colonel level, you can be promoted. And in army, as you know, level of payment will be here at captain level, level 10, and many things are there, NPA, DA, kit maintenance, and other many army benefits. In BSF, Border Security Force, you will be posted as veterinary assistant surgeon, and it is also coming under Ministry of Home Affairs, central government. And see, training will be given at BSF Academy, Gwalior, which is in MP. And the selected candidates are commissioned in the rank of assistant commandant. That is a very good post, as you know. UPSC also taking exams for assistant commandant. Now SSB, Sashastra Seema Bal, same like CISF and other defense lines also recruiting. Okay, now everyone is going to wildlife zoo. Everyone have visited national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, safaris, hot spots. So veterinary graduates are also recruited there to undergo health service, immunization, nutrition, and quarantine measures to wild animals. Okay, so salary is here also good, and you will be in natural environment. Now if you are postgraduates and above qualifications and you are interested in research, so for research you see agricultural research scientist, there is a post. This is one of the dream post, okay, for every veterinary students. And see, the agriculture scientist recruitment board, this is board name, you can search also, ASRB, under the Department of Agriculture Research and Extension, Government of India. It conducts exam every year to recruit veterinary postgraduate. That is for PG students and PhD students. Okay, and here you can rise up to the DG level, DG ICR, and that is equivalent to secretary to Government of India. Okay, now here this graph you can see, sorry, this table you can see. Here it is mentioned about your growth, career progression, and salary of ARS. Okay, you can see scientist, see, then senior scientist, principal scientist, director, vice chancellor, DG ICAR. This is equivalent to secretary to Government of India. Now scientist, okay, JRF, junior research fellowship, senior research fellowship in several institutes like CSIR, as you all know, ICAR, you know, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, ISER, you know, Indian Institute of Scientific Educational Research, KVKs, as I have earlier told you. So many scopes are there, and salary you can see a heavy amount. Okay, now professors and lecturers, as you all know, veterinary PG students with NET qualified or PhD students can opt for post of professors and lecturers in different veterinary, medical, and other science. Okay, assistant professors come junior scientist. And see, there is different systems here like assistant professors, then associate professors, then professors, HOD, dean, VC, all these things. And if you want to be civil service officers, there veterinary science and animal husbandry, you can take it as an optional subject. It is available also. So, and in IFS exam it will be also helpful as it is related to wildlife and animal diversity, plant aspects, so it will be somewhat related to veterinary field. Now private jobs. Till now I have talked about government jobs and there is a great opportunity. Now we'll talking about private jobs. See, if we are joining private jobs, they will be taking more preference, they will be giving to PG persons or PhD. Okay, see, in pharmaceutical companies, you know, Intas, Baerbeck, Zydus, this also you know. Here they are recruiting as sales manager and post of researchers in R&D department, research and development department. Poultry sector, nowadays it's emerging sector. So you can see Venki Poultry, Suguna, at least you have all seen. So they are recruiting on the post of farm advisor, veterinary doctors, farm managers. Similarly, dairy sector is there, equine practice is there, a small ruminant sector, and nowadays you know pet clinics are emerging everywhere. So you can open your own pet clinic and pet practitioners. In city, it is a very important field for veterinarians. Almost nowadays everyone have cat or dog. Okay, now animal feed and feed additive sectors. See, for pet animal, pedigree is this Godrej, Cargill, all these are recruiting veterinarians in high profile post and offers good package. Okay, now see, other things are also there. Meat processing sectors, abattoirs, you know, like where slaughter is done, slaughter of animal is done. So there, meat inspector, for the you will be recruited at a meat inspector. Okay, for the post of meat inspectors in meat processing unit, abattoirs. In Tamil Nadu there is a plant, there are many plants, but where I have visited in Coimbatore, Shanti, you can see their turnover is per year turnover is 6,000 crore or something 4,000 crore. So there is a too much scope, and I seen there was veterinarian only who was manager. Okay, so entrepreneurship in extension, we are also studying here veterinary extension and economics. So there is a opportunity of not seeking jobs, we can provide jobs also. You can become entrepreneur. Okay, you can start your own venture and managing it successfully. Many government schemes are there. RKVY, as you know, Rashtriya Krishi Bima Yojana. Then see startups like AC, ABC, Agri Clinics, Agri Business Incubation Center. Okay, and subsidies are there, loans via NABARD. Okay, therefore they can easily set up. You can set up dairy farms, milk processing plants, poultry farms, pig farms. Pig farms, it is highly prolific, so very high earning is there. Feed plant, as you can set up, as I told in my college, feed plant is there. Meat product processing plant is there. Poultry processing plant, vet clinics, consultancy farms. Okay, see, list is unlimited. Okay, vet clinics, nowadays you can open consultancy farms, pharmaceutical, many things are there. So if I will tell all other things, video will be too long. So you can see sky is not the limit. So lots of opportunities are there. Thanks. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe it, share with your friends, because if anyone is not getting MBBS, they are searching what are the scopes of veterinary and what are the other course similar to MBBS. If I am not getting MBBS for becoming doctor, for fulfilling their desire. Thanks a lot. If you have any query, you can write comment in comment sections or can reach on my Telegram. Thank you. Thanks a lot.